Hello, and welcome to this series of videos to help with the Midland College Library. In addition to being a great place to study and hang out, the library offers free access to technology to help students with their classwork. Internet access is available through our complimentary Wi-Fi and desktop computer stations located all over the library. In addition to desktop access, laptops are also available to check out and use while in the library. Just ask at the circulation desk. All computers are equipped to serve students' needs with free access to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. When you're done with your work, assignments can be submitted to Canvas or saved to the cloud through your OneDrive. If you need resources for your homework, you can access over 90 databases from the library website, in addition to the books the library provides. This means you can find, read, and use up-to-date articles for your academic needs. Of course, if you need to print or make copies of anything, we offer free black and white printing while you're in the library. All you need to know is the department ID, 1946. Our printers can also scan and send digital copies of any important paperwork you might need. While you're in the library, additional resources are available for checkout. If you forgot to charge your devices and they're running low, we offer charging cables. For study sessions that require you block out distractions, headphones are available. Accessibility aids are also supplied upon request. Our goal is to ensure that you have everything you need for a productive and successful study session. Just stop by the circulation desk for assistance. If you need more information, stop by the library or reach out to the library through library chat available on our webpage. Have a great day.